AiroPower is a mini straightening machine that can function on its own or with existing frame equipment. With a capacity of 5.25 tons, it is ideal for many common damages that arrive in shops every day. This means more flexibility for where these light damages can be repaired within the shop, freeing up the frame bays for bigger jobs and saving cost from buying mini benches for other bays. The entire AiroPower system fits on a mobile cart, so it's easy to move between bays. Using push-pull technology, rear body panels, rear quarter panels, and rockers can all be repaired without anchoring the vehicle. The full AiroPower kit can be purchased for much less than a mini bench. It provides technicians with 5.25-ton push and pull power. It can also be used on an existing frame machine, allowing quick down pulls, maintaining or adjusting door openings, moving door hinges, or isolating damage. Its remote cable makes operation safer, as well as more convenient in tight areas, such as trunks with the lid closed or under tire wells. The heart of the system is the push-pull ram. This is a pneumatic system, so it does not leak oil or have seals that dry up. Sold with a 2-year warranty, AiroPower strives to meet and exceed customer satisfaction. If needed, new units, spare parts, and service technicians are available in North America to keep this tool and any accessory kits running for a lifetime. For more information on AiroPower or any product from Equipment Gateway, please visit www.equipmentgateway.com.